In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand your property search area zone on Zillow with a simple walkthrough. If you're on the lookout for a new home and need to widen your search on Zillow, this is the perfect guide for you. Let's get started by heading over to Zillow.com. First things first, make sure you're connected to the internet and ready to explore. Once you're on the Zillow homepage, you'll see various options such as buy, rent, and sell. For this example, we'll focus on the buy option, but this process works similarly for rent as well. Click on the Buy tab to start looking for homes for sale. You'll immediately notice a default listing of properties based on your current location or the previously searched area. But what if you want to expand your search to different neighborhoods or even different states? That's where the map feature comes in handy. On the Zillow page, you'll find an interactive map on the right side. This map shows the geographic boundaries of your current search. To get a broader view and possibly find more options, click on the Remove Boundary button. This will remove any restrictions on the geographic area shown, letting you see homes beyond the initially set boundary. Next, you'll want to zoom out to get a more comprehensive view. Look for the zoom control on the map, typically represented by a plus and minus sign or a slider. Give the Zoom Out button a click once or twice, slowly expanding the visible area on your map. Keep repeating this process, clicking Zoom Out, until you broaden your view to include different regions or even another state. If you've zoomed out far enough, you might see properties in regions like New Mexico, just for example. Clicking on a state or area of interest will show you its specific listings, giving you fresh options to consider. You can click on a specific state, and Zillow will present a list of properties for sale in that area. At any point, if you want to refine your search back down and focus on a specific area, you can click Remove Boundary again and adjust the zoom level to bring you back to a more localized view. This feature is particularly useful if you found a list you want to explore more deeply. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently widen or narrow your search area, making the most of your property search on Zillow. Remember to explore thoroughly and adjust the map to reflect your specific property needs, and there you have it. A simple yet effective way to expand your property search area on Zillow. Thanks for watching and happy house hunting.